this is Brad again with the Washington Insurance Team, just doing a short little video on auto insurance to give you a few ideas on how you can better protect yourself. Let's just say you have liability coverage of 25,000, 50,000, 25,000. Did you know liability limits on your auto insurance are the total it will pay per accident? So, if you have the state minimums to save money on your auto insurance, which in most states is 25,000, 50,000, 25,000, the most it will pay per accident is 50,000. No matter how many people are hurt or how badly they are hurt, no matter how many vehicles are damaged, the most it will pay is 50,000 per accident. Well, you say to yourself, "Wow, 50,000 bucks. That's a ton of money." Excuse me. Well, let's just take a look, for instance, in case we were to ever have an accident like this, where 4 cars are involved. Everybody in the other vehicles besides you was hurt. Those cars don't look to be really anything too terribly expensive. But what if they were all Mercedes or BMW or Audi SUVs? And let's just say 3 people per car were injured. Well, then, what do you think would happen to the at-fault driver of this accident? 4-car accident, and these are all medium expense cars, like I said, but what if they were all Mercedes or BMW SUVs? What if all passengers were severely injured and hospitalized? How far do you think that 50,000 per accident would go in covering liability for this accident? One BMW or Mercedes SUV can cost 70, 80,000 bucks by itself. So the average lawsuit for an at-fault accident is $300,000. So let's just say that's 300,000 times 3 different people that are suing you. That's 900,000, not counting attorney's fees or lost wages if a person was injured enough to be out of work for a while or they died, God forbid. Subtract $900,000 from your $50,000 in auto insurance liability. That leaves $850,000. You got $850K piled up under your mattress somewhere. Once your policy amount is used up, the attorneys will seize all your assets, including your business assets, and garnish up to 25% of your income for life or until the lawsuits are all paid off. Still think the state minimum auto insurance is the best value in car insurance? Most agencies will sell state minimum coverage to you without batting an eye. The ones that will, without trying to talk you out of it first, are looking at one thing and one thing only: how many new customers they can show in their books. We can work with you and show you how to get proper coverages to protect your car and your assets, both now and into the future. And 90% of the time, it ends up being just as affordable as that horrific state minimum policy. If it doesn't matter of you being unemployed and all you can absolutely afford is state minimum, that's a different story. We want to help anyone and everyone. However, probably 80% or greater of the people who are sold state minimum auto insurance are not employed. So that asks the begging question, why do so many agencies and agents and licensed sales producers sell such garbage insurance to people?